It's me, Chastec, again, your humble friend. Today I'll be showing you guys how to design a login form and registration form using your HTML and CSS. Alright, just the interface we'll be designing. Alright, so let's get started. There are some requirements we'll need. One is the live server. Live server is going to be helping us to reload our code automatically without having to close your text editor to refresh your browser. Alright, so let's get started. All we have to do, you can create your folder anywhere. You can decide to create it in your main directory like the desktop, the document, and all that. But I think I'll create mine in this. Let's say let's give it a name. Let's say form design. All right, so all you have to do, just drag it to your VS Code, Visual Studio Code. That's a short form, Visual Studio Code. All right, so let's just start writing our code. Remember, you need to create a folder called assets. Okay, your assets can have CSS. Okay, in this CSS you can have your main.css or style.css, whatever name you prefer. Okay, so now we can have our let's say login.html. okay, we have our sign up.html. all right, so let's check our login form. Let's start doing something. Don't forget HTML5, or you can use exclamation mark, then press your tab. all right, anyone you prefer, either exclamation mark tab, okay, exclamation mark tab, or you type HTML, okay, 5 then tab. all right, it gives you the same thing. all right, let's start doing something. Okay, change the title, login form. all right, let's set our live server. Start the live server. I'm on Mac. I will just have to, sometimes you can see it. I think I hide my my taskbar, so go to appearance, show status bar. Yeah, you can see it. So when I expand this thing, my live server ought to be somewhere here. Although if it's not here, just right click, then open with what, live server. Okay, let me resize this window so that you will see everything I'm doing. all right, I want us to use Mozilla so you can see everything. all right, as you are working, it refreshes automatically with the help of our live server. all right, so first thing, we have to go to our main.css. okay, say HTML, okay, everything. okay, say boss sizing, say border boss. all right, border boss. So if you want to say form container, okay, form container. all right, do something like this. Say margin, don't worry, let's go. Say form container. all right, say form container. Say padding. Let's design our form first. So say form, do something like this, form, right? So it gives you the action. So you can have the action, you can just put your hash here. okay, since it's leading you nowhere. all right, say input, then type. Let's check this, change it to text. Here can be email, placeholder, email. all right, email. So you can see as I'm working, everything is showing. all right, so you can have another input, name it password. okay, password. Password. Sorry, password. all right, can see everything's in line, but we don't want that. Let's call our style in, use the link rel, say style sheet. We may not need this for the meantime. We don't need this for the meantime. Okay, style sheet. then ref, that is the location. Inside assets, I should go to assets. Inside the assets, look for CSS, then search for main.css. Alright, so before we work with form container, let's look for inputs. Every input we want to style our input first. So on starting your input now, you can say padding, say 14 pixel, 18 pixel. Let's see something first. So our CSS not coming in, or we cannot get CSS. What happened? What is wrong? Let's see. Oh, okay, let's see something. Was in the wrong directory. Oh, not in assets. Okay, you can see now. So you can see. Okay, but we don't want this. Let's see something. Then give it a weight of 100%. All right, so margin, with margin top, so there will be space here. There need to be space here. Margin top, give it 5%. Okay, or let's say 15%. All right, our form is taking shape, so you can decide to bring your border radius to bring about rounded corners. Okay, you can say 7 pixel. I think I'm used to 7. It's getting okay. You can say border, let's say none. All right, border none. But how will the user know? Let's click on something. Okay, let's say border 2 pixel solid black. All right, so you can see now, like 2 pixel is much. However, let's check one. Take a look at one. Okay, one is okay. So form container, say margin top, give it 45 pixel. Oh, 47 rather, sorry. So say class form container. All right, move it downward. All right, let's create another button. Say input type, say button. Oh, say submit. Okay, name login. All right, value login. All right, so my friends, you can see your login form is ready. Okay, this is just a simple way you can design your login form. So remember, we are working with login and registration. All right, let's see something now. You need to change the color of our button. Okay, changing the color, you can say, oh, layer make everything. Let's simplify everything. Make this one button, please. Okay, this one button. Oh, don't worry. So give it a class. Say class login button. All right, let's create the class. Go to your style, login button. Say background. Just background is okay. All right, background color, use black. Let's see. Okay, then change the color, text color to white. Right, so you can see, let's move it down a bit, 147. Right, so this is your login form. So you can see, sorry, you can see this is your login form. You can have, let's say we have form title. Okay, say text align, say center. Okay, font weight, say border. Okay, so come to your login form. In this container, do something like this. Use your H2, okay, to say login or sign in. Give it a class of what? Form title. Alright, you can see. So this is your login form. So next, just copy everything in the login form, paste it in this your sign up. Okay, instead of sign in, say sign up. Instead of login, it can be register. Also, here can be register. Alright, here can be register. Let's see. Open this guy in live server. This is live server. Yes, we will want to use this. You can see now sign up, register. So you can see, friends, we're able to use just our CSS code and HTML to create our login form. This is the easiest way you can work with your CSS and HTML in creating a login and registration form. All you just have to do, just keep on duplicating. If I need phone, I can turn this one to tel. Then here is what? Tel phone. Okay, say phone. Alright, you can see everything is okay. Everything is the same. Alright, thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.